Hey, what is going on the YouTube? This is the Gaming Guy, and today's video is going to be an unboxing for my week 11 item. Now I was going to save this until midway sort of during the week so that I could then unbox my week 11 and week 12 items sort of together as one whole. However, I'm going to be away for like the next 3 days, so I just wanted to record this and put it out on Sunday so that then I can try to attempt to record something possibly on the Tuesday when the drop lists normally come out. So I'm gonna have to give that a shot because I've never edited on a MacBook before, like for a video, so I'm gonna have to see how that goes. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing during this week. But anyway, we have a very obviously short unboxing as it is just one piece that I'll actually be taking with me, I believe, to the place that I'm going to. I'm not going to mention the place as of yet because I'd like to make a video sort of bring everything together, including like my birthday and the place and just everything like that into like one sort of whole. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. As always, has your item from week 11 arrived? If it has, what did you order? What colorway, what size, or what item in general did you order? And are you going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling it? And if your item hasn't arrived, has it got sort of like a set date of when it arrives? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Let's unbox this. And I'm also going to talk about the Palace Ralph Lauren thing because that was terrible. So yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so obviously the balloons are still there, which you will see in the video that will either be out on like Wednesday or Friday next week, depending on how much editing I can get done when I come back. Okay, so obviously let's just unbox this. I haven't worn my Space Jam tee in like ages, and it's also starting to hang off me a little bit because it's not my normal size, it's actually a size up. So yeah, I'm starting to notice that it is a tiny bit big, but let's unbox this. Okay, obviously, very simple package, easy, box logo sticker as per norm, and here it is, the classic script, I believe it is, Beanie in the sort of blue, baby blue, ice blue colorway, with the embroidery across it, which is actually really nice. Yeah, the embroidery is actually really nice and clean on there, and it actually sticks out quite a lot. So there's that piece. There's not really much else I can say about this. It's obviously just another beanie into the collection. Obviously from the live cop, that's going to be another beanie on top of that. But yeah, I don't really have much else to say. Obviously, thank you for the support on the live cop. That got like 200 and something likes, which is amazing. And I also gained like 60 or 70 subscribers on the day, which is also, again, absolutely amazing. So I just want to say thank you for that, and thank you for all of like the birthday comments and messages and just everything. I'm going to be going through the comments like today when I'm recording this, and then when this video goes out I'll also be going through them in like the evening time, because there are about 100 and a bit that I need to respond to, so I'm going to do my best to respond to them. But yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for that because I really do appreciate that. Obviously this is the week 11 item. I haven't actually looked into the prices of beanies recently. I don't really know why. I haven't been looking into prices too much of things, or on the resale side of things. I know that the New Era box logo ones were going for like 80 to 100 pounds. They'll probably dip when all of the orders come in. Beanies are starting to turn into a really good thing, and to be honest, the majority of the items that I want from the rest of the season are actually beanies and sort of things that will go over your face anyway. So I'm more looking to pick up more of them in the end and probably just make like a bigger sort of beanie or hat sort of side collection. But yeah, that is going to cover the unboxing side for this video, and now we can talk about the Ralph Lauren side, because I would make a separate video for this, but I don't feel that there's the need to. So I will probably move myself to the corner and then throw the footage up. So I was out with people in my sort of university lesson, or my normal people who are in my lesson, and we were looking at galleries and things. And in short, the drop was happening when I was on 1 bar of connection on 3G. So I quickly set up my MacBook and hit the recording screen, got the software going, moved so that I would have like 4 bars of connection on 3G, and then I got the 4 bars of connection, and when I was finally starting to refresh, the site came up saying there was no connection, and it sort of, well, it did, it crashed for me. So yeah, it wasn't really the greatest drop. If I was at home on my computer, I probably would have got what I was after, because I was after the skateboard deck with the graphic on it, which I believe was deck 1 they called it, or something like that, or deck 0, something like that. So I had opened it up or refreshed it. Everything had come up, but they didn't have photos and I couldn't see the deck, so I panicked for like a good 30 seconds of like, I can't see the deck, until finally I then clicked on hardware, where the decks come up and it appeared in the top left. I clicked on it, added it. A minute or 2 minutes of sitting in the sort of queue that Palace have, and it went. Yeah, it was sold out. So I was extremely frustrated. I still am frustrated because I really did like the skateboard deck. I didn't want it for the resale purpose. I wanted it for the purpose of keeping it, because on the side of Ralph Lauren or Polo have never released skateboard decks, and it's a skateboard deck, so it's quite a big like step up in like a sort of history side, and I really did appreciate the graphic to the deck. I can't remember the specific name for the two horses, what's around them. I'm trying to think about it, but I can't remember it. But in short, on there it says Palace Ralph Lauren, and I found that to be really cool and just a really nice bit of detail that they added to it. I would probably pick it up possibly like next month or something for resale. I want to see if its price is going to come down any amount at all. And then I will hopefully try to pick that up. I know that some people sold the decks on between like 100 and 130 pounds, but this one, I believe at the moment, one I saw yesterday, but it's been 24 hours, so it probably dropped, was up for 110 pounds, which I don't really want to pay that much. I'd rather pay like 60 to 80, so I'll see if it comes down on like StockX or something, and then hopefully pick it up at some point in time. I might sell one of my Supreme decks to then get the Palace one. But yeah, that is how my live cop went for the Palace Polo, or Palace Polo Ralph Lauren collab that occurred. It was not great. I probably would have taken the W if I was on my computer, but I got handed that L, so that's my first L in a long time from like any drop. But it was bound to happen. I knew like the situation was just not good to be. I was walking around carrying the MacBook and it was raining, and I was just like, this just isn't gonna go well. And people were like saying, what are you doing? I'm just like, I'm trying to get a skateboard. And they were just like, why are you on your phone? It's like, I need to record it, you know. Like, I could have probably recorded on my phone, but to be honest, I just want to record on the MacBook because it's got all of the sort of Google Chrome autofill and stuff, which will be a lot quicker. But hey ho, it happens. So congrats to the people who got W's on them. And yeah, that is going to finish this video. If you enjoyed, that'd be much appreciated. Other than that, I should have the other unboxing for week 12 out on Wednesday. Hopefully a dropless video on Tuesday, which I will try my best to work on and get out. It won't be with my normal microphone, it'll be with this camera, and I'll just have to like take a tripod with me or something and sit it so that I can record myself, you know. But yeah, that is it. So thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, that'd be much appreciated. Other than that, we're closing in on 6,200 subscribers, which is amazing. Again, just I really do appreciate it, genuinely, I really do. So yeah, I can't say thank you enough, but thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Peace.